What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing and monitor arm and setting it up. So if you see now, currently I have this setup going on right here, but I'm just going to remove this keyboard, put my MacBook right there, and use my monitor using a monitor arm and just work with that setup. So let's see how it goes, and let's straight up go to the monitor arm, shall we? So here's the package. Let's unbox it. So guys, just took this guy out of the Amazon package. Now yeah, this is the monitor stand, and this is just a casual kind of case that I bought for my iPhone 12 Pro, not actually the 12, because I actually got two phones, and this case is a really a TPU case which actually fits the same color as the 12 Pro. I don't use the 12 Pro personally, which my dad kind of uses. So let's give it to Dad and see how this guy works. Now let's unbox this guy. Now that we have actually opened this guy out, let's flip out this guy. Okay, this guy actually weighs a lot. Okay, now it's gonna take 2 hands for me to unbox this guy, so maybe not. I'm doing it from the wrong side. Am I? Yes, I was. Okay, now that we have opened it, this is the Amazon Basics stand, cause there's nothing there's nothing much that I'm gonna do with this guy. Just usually going to use this for getting my monitor to height. So now that we have opened it, let's clean this mess right from here and set it up. Okay, as you already saw, we got to take this guy out. Now the thing that's going to be hard in this video is shooting it live from first person point of view, because this thing is really damn heavy, and I'm just one person shooting this video right now. Our cameraman Dixit is not coming to actually help me shoot videos lately. So if you guys are interested in helping me shoot my videos, most welcome. Kindly come, and you can actually call my number. I put my number right here for like 5 seconds. Okay, that's my number. Okay, if you actually did get my number, call me. I talk to you about a lot of stuff. Not only if you're interested in helping me, even if you're like kind of yeah, you can talk to me using that number. That's my number. That's my personal number. You can actually call me. Here's a lot of stuff that I got to fix. Never really done all of these kind of stuff till now. I don't have experience in fitting all these until now. It's all done by my dad or my cousin's dad, Surya's dad, right? He helps me with all of these kind of stuff, mechanical stuff and stuff. Okay, let's try it for ourselves. First time. Oh, this isn't good. I'm sweating a lot now, cause it's a lot of work, lot of heaviness. Let's get into the video. Okay, you might have actually not seen this stuff. With this stuff you can actually find out my character. I am kind of always happy. I like to, this open is just random for opening this stuff. I like to search a lot of things. I get new ideas, and I do stand-up comedy. I have a lot of sense of humor kind of stuff, and I like guy videos. This is security symbol, for the tech, always dreaming about new videos. I like cold drinks, when a drink is cold, nothing else. And a Wi-Fi symbol. This is all related to me and what I like, and you can actually find my character with this. Now I've actually taken out the desk mat and moved this guy to set up the clamp right here. So we are going to be fitting the monitor arm right here. I took all this stuff and I was blank. I didn't actually know how to fix it. I can use the manual, but I prefer by going and watching and learning live stuff. So it's time to open the MacBook and go see how to start fixing this. And yes, If I do run, then I fix it and I'll show you soon. Now first what you gotta do is take this big boy and take this guy out. Okay, fine. Now take this guy out and fix it behind this guys. Okay, let me show how I do it. These guys are heavy, dude. It's really heavy. Metal products. They have actually kind of given it in a ABCD kind of format. Now first you got to take this F and C and then put the C kind of screws into it and use the F kind of thing to actually fix it. Let's see how it goes. I actually kind of went and fixed the first one with a lot of difficulties. The thing was, it was actually hard to align. Like, this is the first time I'm doing all this stuff for myself, guys. That's why. Just got to do the alignment right. So close it, align it, and then fix it. That's the best thing that you can do. It's a lot of work and effort that you got to put in to make these things right. This thing is kind of very difficult to align. That's the thing. It's easy to screw and stuff. It's hard to align. Let's take this guy and fix it to one of these poles. And fix it. Let's do it. Now for this one, this alignment, you got to take the one from the D1. Now that we have fixed the basement, why not fix it to the table itself? So fix it to the table and continue to the next step. That's the thing. So first got to remove this guy which I attached. For this guy we are going to be using the screws from B or A. I'm not sure, let me just check and tell. But we are going to use the same thing, I guess. Okay, doubts clear. It's going to be A because this is what kind of fits. Like, see the B. It's a bit larger than A. This is the B and that is the A1. So use the A for this one. And you got to take this G thing to actually put that and fix it because these guys have this screwdriver kind of stuff right here. So autofocus on iPhones are great, man. Okay. Maybe you should appreciate it. It's gonna work fine. Take this stuff. Take this stuff. Let's go fix it. Sorry guys. It's a lot of work, man. Okay, let's get into the work, shall we? Okay, finally I somehow mounted this stuff. With all your help, and yes, oh, it's cool, baby. So you can rotate it 360 degrees, like not 360. You can actually swivel it with left and right. Okay, let me just show you instead of telling you. That'll be fine. You can actually do all these stuff with this. You can actually turn it into a portrait instead of landscape if you're doing some Photoshop in portrait and stuff. And it will also help you with a lot of stuff. Like, yeah, that's it. Let's see how this guy turns out into a setup. Cable managing tags are really great. You have 2 or 3 of them in the package. This is the monitor setup without some cable stuff. Good. And end of session, my end of video. இந்த மாதிரி புக்லெட் கொடுத்து அது எப்படி இன்ச் பை இன்ச்சாக அவங்க பண்ணணுன்றதை போட்டிருப்பாங்க.
பார்த்து பண்ணுங்க. இட்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலி குட். வேணுன்றவங்க பண்ணுங்கள். மற்றவங்க இந்த மாதிரி செட்டப் வீடியோ பார்த்து கற்றுக்கோங்க, பண்ணுங்கள். ஸ்டே இன், ஸ்டே சேஃப், பீஸ்.